Signal density and speeds are increasing everywhere, including in the MIL-embedded market where systems for radar, sensors, electronic warfare, cyber defense, C5ISR, and low Earth orbit satellites need to deliver next-generation performance. Amphenol Aerospace MIL-HD2 connectors, available from Mouser Electronics, offer a 1.8mm pitch and can scale to PAM4 56 gigabit per second data rates, providing high performance in space-critical designs. They're available with 4 to 8 columns and 3 to 6 differential pairs per column, including configurations that meet SOSA and VITA 91 requirements for HD switch. MIL-HD2 connectors offer proprietary crosstalk reducing technologies together with improved impedance matching that ensure excellent signal integrity, and shielded contacts mate before signal contacts, providing up to a 4mm minimum wipe. They offer optimized footprints and a 15.7mm drill compliant pin that allows for deeper back drilling.